In front of me is HONOR Magic6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Start by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Lite Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist Developer. When your app is ready, open it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then select Consent in the pop-up and tap on this gear at the top left corner. Now you can adjust all of those options however you want to, and even click on presets to click on the best one for you. To save it, hit yes and then adjust all of its settings over here. Wherever you decided when you finished, click at the top right corner and bottom one again. Then tap on Set as Live Wallpaper and hit yes. Lastly, tap on Apply and exit your app. As you can see, after that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!